Alcohol. The next major sin is drinking alcohol. In a narration found in Sunan ibn Majah, number 3371, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned that a Muslim must never consume alcohol, as it is the key to all evil. Unfortunately, this major sin has increased amongst the Muslims over time. This is the key to all evil, as it gives rise to other sins. This is quite obvious, as a drunk loses control over their tongue and physical actions. One only needs to look at the news to observe how much crime is committed due to drinking alcohol. Even those who drink moderately only cause damage to their bodies, which science has proven. The physical and mental diseases associated with alcohol are numerous and cause a heavy burden on the National Health Service and the taxpayers. It is the key to all evil, as it negatively affects all three aspects of a person, namely, their body, mind and soul. Chapter 5 Al-Ma'idah, verse 90.
O you who have believed, indeed intoxicants, gambling, sacrificing on stone altars to other than Allah, and divining arrows are but defilement from the work of Satan, so avoid it that you may be successful.
The fact that drinking alcohol has been placed next to things which are associated with polytheism in this verse highlights how important it is to avoid. It is such a serious sin that the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned in a narration found in Sunan ibn Majah, number 3376, that the one who drinks alcohol regularly will not enter paradise. Spreading the Islamic greeting of peace is a key to obtaining paradise, according to a narration found in Sunan ibn Majah, number 68. Yet, a narration found in Imam Bukhari's Adab al-Mufrad, number 1017, advises Muslims not to greet someone who regularly drinks alcohol. Alcohol is a unique major sin, as it has been cursed from 10 different angles in a single narration found in Sunan ibn Majah, number 3380. This includes the alcohol itself, the one who produces it, the one it is produced for, the one who sells it, the one who buys it, the one who carries it, the one to whom it is carried to, the one who uses the wealth obtained through selling it, the one who drinks it and the one who pours it. The one who deals with something that has been cursed like this will not obtain true success, unless they sincerely repent. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.